Hello everyone. Oak Business Consultant is back with another financial model, which is the Physician Consultation Services Excel financial model. This financial model will help the physician consultation service providers to forecast their financial performance for the next 60 months. So let me take you through a step-by-step demonstrations of this template's functionalities. First of all, we have the table of contents, which includes the input sheet, revenue analysis, startup summary, financial statements, financial analysis, working file, and dashboard. Starting with the input sheet, it includes all the assumptions related to your business, including the capital structure, the services provided by your business, inventory assumptions, and so on and so forth. These peach-colored cells are the assumed amounts, and this gray-colored cells are the formulas. Now, if I change this amount, you can see that the model will update itself. Next, we have the revenue analysis sheet. It includes the total number of visitors, services provided, revenue, cost of service, and inventory related information. Revenue analysis will give you the forecasted revenue for the next 60 months of your business. Next, we have the startup summary. It estimates how much investment is required for the first year of your business. You can see that it also includes the graphical representation of total funding versus total expenses, total cost, and utilization of funds. Moving on to the financial statement. First of all, we have the profit and loss statement. It includes the information about the revenue, cost of services, operating expenses, and net income. Next, we have the cash flow statement, which includes the cash inflows and outflows of your company through operating, investing, and financing activities. And then we have the statement of financial position. It shows the total assets, liabilities, and equities of your company as at the date assumed. And you can see that the balance sheet is balanced based on the forecasted values. Next, we have the financial analysis sheet. First of all, we have the break-even analysis, which is the point at which the cost and revenue are equal. Here is the graphical representation of the break-even analysis. Next, we have the company valuation. It shows the net present value of your company at year 0, and it also includes the internal rate of return, burn rate analysis, and minimum investment required. Moving on to the sensitivity analysis, it is the comparison of the valuation of company with the actual, pessimistic, and optimistic case scenarios. Here you can see that if I change this percentage, the model has automatically updated itself. Then we have KPIs and ratios, which includes profitability ratio, liquidity ratio, solvency ratio, and efficiency ratios. And this is the graphical representation of these ratios. Moving on to the working file, it includes the calculation of depreciation, loan amortization, and working capital. The depreciation schedule shows the reduction in the value of the assets and the net book value over the next 60 months. The loan amortization schedule shows the interest payments and the amount of principal payment. And the working capital shows the amount of receivables and payables over the next 60 months and the changes in their amounts. And lastly, we have the dashboard, which includes the relevant graphical representation of this model. Thank you so much for watching.